Okay, one more thing is that there is a rumor आताच्या हितून येयला की फोंड्या बाय इलेक्शनाच्या हितून पळयत जाल्यार केतन भाटेकर ऑप्शन्स ऑफ जॉयनिंग काँग्रेस दे वो समथींग शोड इंटरेस्ट कितें आहा तुमचे कडेन कितें येयला?
सी पोंडा ऑल्सो वेन लास्ट टाइम तुम्ही म्हाका विचारिल्लें सांगिल्लें की लेट पोंडा एज काँग्रेस पार्टी आय हॅव टोल्ड यू दॅट वी आर इलेक्शन प्रिपेर्ड फॉर ऑल द 40 constituencies if you ask me. Now regarding Ponda, our entire team on Ponda is doing the work. For last 3.5 years they are there with the people, and with this SIR process and with our signature voter campaign, our team, our karyakarta workers are going to each and every person there. Within 6 months by-election has to happen. So let the election commission declare or tell what is their date when they want to hold it. But Congress party is prepared for elections in Ponda.